Weather 12 forecast because it's been another hot, humid day. We are tracking some showers moving in.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center with some relief. Tony.
Yeah, relief in the form of a cold front which will come through overnight tonight. So when you step out the door tomorrow morning, you'll really notice the change in the air, very comfortable. Most areas are actually dry. There's not much in the way of widespread rain or thunder. Now, I do anticipate some isolated kind of hit and miss showers and thunderstorms next 2 to 3 hours. We're looking at, well, this is Newport Harbor. It is nice. The sun is still shining through the clouds. I do want to start with the Doppler radar. And, you know, one of the byproducts of heat and humidity are showers and thunderstorms. So when you look at the wider view, there's really not much out there. You've got to get real close. There's one severe storm in Hartford that's moving to the southeast. That's not a factor. That will not cross into our area. And it doesn't look like much, but this, let me get in real close here. This just developed. Now, here's Providence. In between East Providence and Barrington, notice how this storm didn't really move in from anywhere. It just went from nothing to it developed. So some of them are actually moving in, and some of them just develop right overhead. And here's a classic example. This is Route 103, and Barrington is right in here. So this is tracking off to the south and east at about 15 miles per hour. This may develop into a thunderstorm. Bristol and 136 is right in here. But notice how, you know, widely scattered it is. So not every town or community getting one. But the risk is there now till about 7 o'clock in the evening. It is quiet in New Bedford with a mix of both clouds and some sunshine, looking at upper 80s to lower 90s inland right now, and even along the coastline, much warmer than what we had yesterday. When you throw in the humidity, it feels hotter. That is the heat index, and that is running in the mid-90s right now. We have the heat advisory, at least for inland areas. So the threat tracker, we will keep it elevated now through about 7 o'clock this evening in terms of both heat and the risk of at least a passing strong thunderstorm. Once we get beyond 8 o'clock, we're looking good. Whew, that looks nice. I mean, if I had to give Thursday a letter grade, I mean, it is A+, looking pretty good. All right, here's the wider view. Let me show you the setup. And this is a cold front dropping out of northern New England and Canada. And quite simply, as it draws closer, it acts on the heat and humidity. It acts like a trigger, and it does set up some of these isolated showers and thunderstorms. Behind the front, the air is dry and it is cooler. So when we take a look at the forecast starting now, and you see isolated showers and thunder, but watch how they all move offshore. So by 7, 8 o'clock the latest, this is all gone. Skies are clearing out, and that refreshing air from Canada is dropping down overnight and into Thursday and as well as Friday. Get a close-up look one more time. By 7 o'clock in the evening, any isolated leftover showers are pushing offshore. Skies are clearing out. 11 o'clock, it's pretty nice. And then overnight, the humidity is dropping. Here we are, 7 o'clock in the morning, sunshine in the upper 60s. During the afternoon, you know, about 75 degrees, sunny and dry. You earn a living working outdoors. It is so much more comfortable. And then tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, things are looking pretty good. A lot cooler. Look at the temperature at 11 o'clock tomorrow night. It's actually in the upper 50s. Turn off the air conditioner. So for tomorrow morning, here comes the sun. Less humid, comfy. Temperatures rising through the 70s. And then during the afternoon, sunny and dry, looking at temperatures at around 75 degrees. All right, 7-day forecast. Friday looks good, cool, comfortable. The weekend, isolated shower both Saturday and Sunday, but Kim, I think the advice here is that both of those days are not rain days where it's just nonstop from sunrise to sunset. Just both of those days have a quick interruption. Wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans, but just kind of keep an eye to the sky. Comfy temps, too, with readings in the 70s. And again, now through about 7 o'clock in the evening, we're going to watch the radar very closely for any, there you go,
there
for
it
any
is.
storms trying to pop up.
And you said tomorrow, A+?
Oh, yeah.
All right,
Okay.
something to look forward to, Tony. Thanks, Brian.
Okay.